Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must begin by confirming permissions and the lawful scope of any fingerprint activity. Once done, consider why you are observing prints: training, research, or documentation, not evidence collection unless certified. Make sure to respect privacy and chain of custody requirements so results aren't misused. If you are unsure about legal boundaries, consult an instructor or legal advisor. This prevents harm and ensures your work remains ethical and admissible in formal contexts. You should understand how and why fingerprints become visible. Natural secretions leave residue that contrasts with surfaces. Once you grasp that principle, you can appreciate non-destructive detection methods and why professionals choose techniques based on surface type and preservation needs. Make sure to prioritize documentation, photography, and notes before attempting any handling. If this is for learning, study multiple contrast and imaging approaches rather than a single quick trick. Because the science explains, you should finish by focusing on safety and documentation. Always photograph and record context with scales, and make sure to avoid contaminating items. Once you've documented, preserve the item in a clean container and consult trained forensic personnel for any evidentiary processing. If an attempt to visualize prints gives poor results, don't try escalating methods yourself. Instead, call a qualified lab or instructor for guidance. This keeps you safe, protects evidence value, and ensures correct interpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.